How to measure on Google Maps. Ever needed to figure out the exact size of a piece of land but didn't have a measuring tape handy? I'm going to show you how to measure land area directly within Google Maps. First, pull up the Google Maps app on your phone and head over to the specific location that you want to measure. To get started, you're going to press and hold anywhere on the map to set your starting point. You will see a red pin drop into place. Once that pin appears, look at the menu at the bottom and then you're going to select measure distance. So just make sure that you scroll down until you see this measure distance right here and then you're going to click on that. Now you will notice your red pin has turned into a fixed white dot, and as you move the map, a dashed line follows a crosshair. This crosshair is your variable point. Now you're going to drag that point to the next corner of your land and then you're going to tap add point right here at the bottom right corner. Now keep moving the map and adding points to trace the entire boundary of the property. To get the actual area, you need to close the shape, so make sure your very last point lands right back on top of your first one. As soon as you connect the dots, Google Map will automatically calculate the total square footage or millage and display it at the bottom left of your screen. It's as simple as that. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment down below.